Fight for accessibility or personal profit. I-Team investigator Katie LeGrone's ongoing series into excessive ADA lawsuits discovers Florida business owners are now being sued over an ADA violation you've probably never heard of.
If you think the ADA is limited to ramps and parking spaces, meet Louise Payton.
Blank, which is your favorite city park?
Which is your favorite city park?
Blind since birth, she's learned to navigate the world without sight.
Hit this letter.
Account information.
And the World Wide Web is no exception.
Every day I'm online.
Wrapping to top.
Doing something with the paper.
Heading level 1, the new web track.
The internet.
Tab.
I even read the Wall Street Journal.
Tab, all tab. Type in text.
A screen reader literally reads websites to Louise.
I-teen :
But a new wave of lawsuits filed in the Sunshine State reveal many Florida businesses are dark to the disabled.
Oh, come on. Why is it not showing up? You might as well be locked out.
Our latest investigation into excessive ADA lawsuits uncovers Florida business owners are now being sued for having websites that are not ADA compliant. While the majority are being filed in South Florida by the same Miami-based attorney, numbers show these web suits are on the rise, from just a couple in 2015 to more than 130 a year later.
Follow the money.
Florida Representative Tom Leaks believes it's the next era in ADA abuse.
If there's a new way to gin up a lawsuit and to get themselves into a point of leverage where they can collect attorney's fees, they'll find it.
I think it's an easy way for lawyers to pursue ADA lawsuits.
Scott Trachtenberg knows all about it. His small business was sued over it 3.5 years ago.
When I was served, my initial reaction was surprise, frustration.
But after spending thousands of dollars to make his website ADA compliant, Scott realized something bigger.
I am yet to meet anybody that's aware of this.
Which is how Scott's new business was born.
Test your website for ADA compliance.
Today, he works to make other businesses website friendly to the disabled.
I think that this is something that's only going to become a much larger issue.
www.
What happened? It's not showing up.
A new wave of ADA lawsuits sparking the same old debate.
There are times when I've gotten frustrated and just walked away from a website because I couldn't access it.
Are these cases advocating accessibility for people like Louise Payton?
Check radio button, not check Jurassic Park.
Jurassic Park.
Or personal profit for those who file them?
The new web track sample called...
I'm I-Team investigator Katie LeGrone, taking action for you.